Which snow chains can keep your truck moving when roads get slick? In this video, we'll review the best snow chains for trucks and compare their traction, fit, and ease of use. You'll know which tire chains suit your driving style before you buy. Be sure to check the links below for the latest prices and deals on these 6 best snow chains for trucks. Let's get started. Number 1. SCC 023280 Auto-Trac Light Truck SUV Tire Traction Chain. Slippery winter roads can leave your truck stuck when you need traction most. The SCC Auto-Trac system tightens itself as you drive, so you don't need to stop and adjust the chains. It uses a diamond pattern that spreads grip across the tire for better control. The hardened steel build stands up well to winter driving, and the design fits many light trucks and SUVs with limited clearance. You'll spend less time outside in freezing weather because installation is quick. The self-tightening feature also helps keep the chains seated during your drive. They offer steady grip on packed snow and ice, though they're meant for temporary winter conditions instead of long, dry road trips. This is a good fit if you want one of the best snow chains for trucks with fast installation and less maintenance during use. Buy these if you drive through snow often and want easy setup. Skip them if your tires need heavy-duty commercial chains. Number 2. SCITOO QG2228CAM Snow Chains. Snow-covered roads can reduce grip fast and make every turn feel uncertain. These SCITOO chains use thick steel links for added traction on snow and ice. The adjustable design fits many truck, SUV, and pickup tire sizes from 15 to 20 inches. The fastening system helps keep the chains secure, and the compact set stores without taking much cargo space. You'll appreciate having them ready during sudden winter storms or mountain trips. They can also help in mud or sandy conditions when extra grip matters. Installation takes a little practice before your first trip, so it's worth testing them at home. These chains suit drivers who want flexible tire compatibility and dependable emergency traction without carrying bulky equipment. Buy these if you need adjustable chains for different vehicles and winter travel. Skip them if you want an automatic self-tightening design. Number 3. AUVEBY HYR-S Snow Chains. Deep snow can stop your truck before you reach your destination safely. These AUVEBY HYR-S chains feature a quick-fit design that can be installed in about a minute with practice. The heavy-duty metal construction handles winter roads well, while the adjustable fit works with many pickup trucks and off-road SUVs using supported tire widths. The locking system helps keep the chains in place during slow winter driving. You'll spend less time standing in the cold when road conditions change. They provide added grip on snow and ice, making hill starts and low-speed driving feel more controlled. They're designed for emergency use, so remove them once you reach clear pavement. These chains are best for drivers who want quick emergency chains for winter trips. Skip them if your tire size falls outside the supported range. Number 4. URLINE KN120 Snow Chains. Snow and icy roads can make even short trips harder than expected. The URLINE KN120 set includes 2 adjustable chains that fit many cars, SUVs, and trucks. Their reinforced construction helps improve traction on snow, ice, mud, and sand. Their portable design stores easily in your vehicle, so they're ready whenever road conditions change. You'll have extra confidence when driving through sudden winter weather or rough roadside conditions. The adjustable straps help with fitting, and the compact size makes storage easy. Installation is manual, so taking a few minutes to learn the process before winter is a smart idea. These chains work well for drivers who want portable emergency traction without carrying large equipment. Buy these if you want compact emergency chains for occasional winter driving. Skip them if you need chains for frequent heavy snow use. Number 5. LANZENSI Snow Chains 6-Pack. Winter roads can turn risky fast without enough tire grip.
The LANZENSI 6-pack uses adjustable traction chains that fit a wide range of tire widths. The portable design works with many cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks. The reinforced materials are made for emergency use on snow and icy roads, and the extra pieces provide more coverage around the tire. You can keep the set in your truck and install only when conditions require extra traction. The wider fit range also makes it useful if you own more than one vehicle. Since installation is manual, practicing before winter makes roadside use much easier. This set is best for drivers who want broad tire compatibility and extra traction points for winter travel. Buy these if you need a versatile emergency set for several vehicles. Skip them if you prefer automatic tensioning chains. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.